Hey, it's Mike with Serr.biz, and today we're going to talk about backlinks, just kind of a quick overview. Um, Backlinks are the B of the earlier referenced acronym CCB. So we've got code, we've got content, and now backlinks. Backlinks are extremely important for your search engine optimization, especially in local SEO. So first off, what is a backlink? A backlink is when a third-party website links to you. Okay, that's it. Just that simple. A link pointing to your website from a third party. The reason why this is important is because once Google finds your content, right, they're going to analyze it and determine its own relevancy based on your code, etc. But they're going to validate it by who else is linking to you. So that's really important to understand, that you have your code, which helps Google read your content, and then you have backlinks pointing to you from third parties. Now, in the sphere of local SEO, the most important probably backlink to get is from your Google business page. Additionally, you could get other relatively easy to get backlinks from other local authorities, such as your local Chamber of Commerce or your local BBB or other associations that you belong to. Additionally, there's backlinks you can get from your social profiles, right? Those are your official social profiles. So when you post an article or something to those, try to always include a backlink so that Google can find it in the social and then crawl it and find you. That is part of the validation process. Now, what's really important are other third-party sites that are unique to your industry. So if there's an association, right? If you have an association, you'd like to get a backlink from them as well. Now I'm going to pop over to the infographic and we'll talk a little bit more about some other places you can get backlinks. Okay, so here we are on just a little infographic that shows you some other places that you could get backlinks from. We already talked about Google My Business. We talked about BBB. Now let's talk about relevant quality forums. So say there's a forum that you belong to that talks about specifics in your industry or a product you sell or a service or a class, etc. It'd be awesome if you can get a backlink from there. Another place is, we talked about social media, news sites. If you do have true relevant news, PR events, etc., and you can get backlinks from an authority news website, but it has to be a real news website, not some fly-by-night, never heard of type of website, but say like CBS, your local CBS station, if they could interview you or talk about you in an article, whatever your local newspaper is. If you can get articles written there and get some backlinks pointing to you, that's also very good. For the most part, any .edu, .gov, or .org website, but it has to be a real .org, right? Not a like you can just buy a .org, but like a real .org, something with a verification of a nonprofit, etc. That would be good to get a backlink from. So you just want to be thinking about who's pointing to you and how often they're pointing to you. So that's what backlinks are, and they're very important for your search engine optimization. And one thing I do want to caution you is don't participate in any quick, fast backlink schemes or anything that you might find online. Avoid FFAs. If you don't know what that is, don't find out. Just stay away from any schemes, stay away from any offer where they're going to get you 1,000 backlinks in 10 minutes. there are tools and services out there that would actually do that, and that's pretty much a instant death. You might get a little bummed quickly, but it will kill your website, and you'll probably never recover, and you'll have to start all over. So don't participate in any scummy black hat, backlink and bombs and so forth. That is instant death. You will get found out by Google, and you will get knocked down. So again, a backlink is simply someone else pointing to you, and the higher quality of that third-party website that's linking to you, the better it is for you. It's effectively a vote. Who's voting for you? And as a local business, you want to get other local specific websites linking to you, as well as bigger national, international websites that are relevant to your content. So a good example might be you sell dresses, say, all right? Well, all of those dresses that you sell, unless you're hand making them yourselves, you're buying them from somebody. There's probably a brand associated to it. Those brand websites, if you could get them to link to you as a local dealer, that's gold. That just would do so much for your SEO related to that brand name, as well as your Google Map listing for the specific geo aspect. So you've got two targets in your backlinks. You've got geo targeting relevancy, as well as content topic product marketing. So those are a couple of ideas I just wanted to share with you as to what backlinks are and why they're important. Next up, we're going to start to implement the CCB of local search engine optimization: code, content, backlinks. All right. See you next time. Bye.